Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check Giffgaff SIM number. So in order to do it, first of all, you will have to come on giffgaff.com, and once you are over here, click on this login option and you need to provide your login credentials and login into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, you will have to go to your account section, that is my account, and in your account you will be able to see your Giffgaff SIM number. So you can get access to your SIM number by logging into your account. In the second method, what you can do is you can simply contact them or text them number to this number, that is 43430 or 2020. So once you type or text this number to Giffgaff customer service, they are going to tell you which SIM card number is yours, and you can use that number in order to activate it on their official website. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and pressing that notification bell and liking the video as well. Thanks for watching.